Welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken stir fry with noodles, Indian style. So that'll be pretty cool. Anyway, so definitely stick around for that, and don't forget to give the video a like. You can do that now if you want, and don't forget to subscribe. There's a ton of other videos on my channel to check out, so please do that. And definitely, well, before you do that, definitely check out let's get started with our chicken stir fry with noodles, Indian style. All right, I'm just gonna cut up our chicken for the stir fry. Cut into the little strips like that. That's so it cooks a little faster. Nice Indian style stir fry with our, noodles. Pretty awesome. Yeah, and when you're slicing chicken, you always have to make sure you wash everything and sanitize stuff, because chicken, right? Uh-oh, the chicken's talking. It's like, I want you to do this. I want you to do that. I'll show you. All right, so a little bit of cumin. Dust it on. So, a little bit of masala. Smells so nice. The good stuff. All right, now bit of olive oil. Lemon juice. Mix the little chicken up. I think we can add a bit more masala. Olive oil, touch more oil. Mix her up. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty good. Garlic powder. And that was garlic powder, onion powder. Mix. Curry powder. A little bit of touch of oil. And mix. Salt. Pepper. Oh yeah, it's looking pretty good now. Let's start cooking our chicken. Saute some onions up. Indian style curry. Salt. Yes, those two magic ingredients, salt and pepper. Yeah, let's see if we get all happy and I'll show you what we have going on over there. There's our chicken. I'm just gonna start flipping over the chicken thighs. Yeah, it smells like Indian food. Yeah, it's just an Indian style kind of stir fry. Nothing fancy, just stir fry. Chicken thighs are cooking up really nice. Well, when you cut them thin, they don't take super long to cook, so good. You just want to make sure they're cooked. Toss some onions in there. Yeah, I just soften the onions up a little bit to help them out a bit. There we go. Alright. Yeah, let the chicken cook a bit more. Then we can start adding some more veggies. Alright. Ginger. And garlic. Just toss a touch of water in there. That was a little bit of coconut milk. Oh yeah, the good stuff. A touch more curry powder. Oops. That was coriander, which is totally fine for curry. Just the color. Oh, that's a bit better. Let it cook out a bit there. Yeah, we're just trying to soften up the carrots. I'm gonna saute some mushrooms for our little stir fry. And start tossing everything else in there. So mushrooms. I just kind of parsley. I always like Indian food. Pretty nice. Cilantro. Tomatoes. Oh, look at that. Have a little taste test, of course. Alright. Seems a touch of sweetness there. That's pretty delicious. A little on the spicier side, but it's good. Touch of cayenne, not a lot, just a little bit to make it nice. A little spicy is good, and some cauliflower. Can't forget the cauliflower. Oh yeah. Serve with noodles. Yummy. So that's the stir fry, and I'll show you the final plating. Chicken stir fry, Indian style, with chicken thigh. So there's your finished product. I had a lot of fun making that, so hope you enjoyed. It looks so delish. Hope you enjoyed the video. So Beaumont's food question of the day is, what is your favorite Indian style food? Get down below, give me a comment, let me know what your thoughts are, and what you like about Indian food, even what you don't like. Get down below and give me a comment, let me know what you like or don't like about Indian food. Let me know, I kind of want to know. Thanks for watching, and there's a ton of other videos on my channel to check out, so please do check them out, and also don't forget to subscribe. Definitely worth your while. The videos are growing, so yeah. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.